Okay. Right. See the eighth problem, everyone. X plus y is less than or equal to 9. Y is greater than x. And one more line is given, x greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0. Right. Everyone. So here is the mainly completed set done. Rani completed a eighth problem. Okay, once again I will write eighth problem for remaining persons only. Completed candidates, you go through the ninth problem. You go through the ninth problem. Okay, na? Right. So here is, see the consider the equations. Consider equation. What are the equation is that x plus y is equal to 9 and y x is equal to y is the one more equation, x plus y is equal to 9 and y is equal to x, one equation, x is equal to 0 is the one more equation. So now I am going to take the first equation. I will write the points. Okay, na? So first equation is x plus y is equal to 9. X is equal to 0. Then 0 plus y is equal to 9. Y value is equal to 9. And y is equal to 0. Then x plus y place is the 0 is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Therefore, write on the table, everyone, x and y. X is 0, y 9, y 0, x 9. Right. Next one, everyone see. Second equation we can take, x is equal to y. X is equal to 0, y 0. X is equal to 1, y 1. That means it is a point I will draw. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So here all points is x is equal to 0, y is equal to also 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, and dotted, x is equal to minus 1, y also minus 1, x is equal to minus 2, y also minus 2. These are the points for the second one. Dotted, second one. These are the point for the second one. Third one, x is equal to 0, y axis. And third one, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 mean y axis, all points on the y axis is. So zeros only, x is equal to 0 means y axis. Right, everyone take the, draw the graph, everyone. Now draw the graph, everyone. Here x is equal to up to 9. X is equal to up to 9. Okay, na? X is equal to up to 9. Y also up to 9. Y also up to 9. Y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more point, that is the 9. This is the y axis. So x axis also put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the x axis. This is the 0. Okay, now negative side also we have. I am going to rub this table. Everyone noted that? So everyone. So I am going to rub this table. Right, everyone see. This side also I will take x is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and dotted. This is the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, dotted. Okay, now this is the y dash. Alright, this is the x dash. Okay, now first one is x is equal, first table, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 9. First join these two. Everyone, first join these two. right? This is the equation. What is the equation? We can be right on over. This is the equation. X plus y is less than or equal to 9. Second table see x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, x2, y2. It is passing through x minus 1 and minus 1, x passing through the origin. This straight line is passing through the origin. Okay. This line is passing through the origin. Next line is the again dotted line right now. X is equal to 0 is the y-axis. X is equal to 0 is the y-axis. Make it as a some dot. X is equal to 0 is the y-axis. Make it as a some dot. Okay, na? So immediately we don't take the 0 point because of line is passing through the origin. So we don't take the 0 point, line is passing through the origin. Any point we can select. So between three lines, this is the one line, this is the one more line. Between the three lines, any point we can select. 3, 4, I am going to select 1 point. 3, 4, I am going to select between three lines. Between three lines, that point is the most important. The second line should be dotted, sir. What about the second line? Not dotted, sorry. Not dotted. Second line is not dotted. Very good. Thank you for recollecting the point. Very nice. So second point is not a dotted. Right. Second point is not a dot. Second line is not a dotted. Thank you, Amma. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You have to recollect that point. Y is greater than X. Very good. Second point line is the dotted line. Second line is the dotted line because of no equality. So here three lines, between three lines, 1 point will be selected. Don't take 0 because of this dotted line is passing through the 0 Don't take any 1 point. Select between the three lines. 1, 2, 3. These three lines I have select 1 point. What point I am going to select is the 3, 4. Now write down. Now the point. Now everyone write down. Now the point 3, 4. So everyone write down. Now put 3, 4. 3, 4 in given inequalities. In given inequalities. In given inequalities. In given inequalities. Okay, na? 3, 4. Given inequalities, what is the inequality? See the x plus y less than or equal to 9. One more is the y greater than x and x greater than 0 and determine if the point satisfied or not to the inequalities. Right, check everyone. The inequalities, check everyone. We can't take 3, 3, we can't take 3, 3. 3, 3 is the point on the line. We can't take. In between the three lines, 1 point. In between the three lines. So that's why don't take on the line point. Okay, na? Right. Now substitute. 3, 4. 3, 4 first line. 3, 4 less than or equal to line. 7 is less than or line is the true. 7 is less than or equal to 9 is the true. Next, 4 is greater than 3 is also true. Next, 3 is greater than 0 is also true. All are true. All are point side only. This is also point side. 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 So this is the common line. This is the common line. This is the common line. Okay, na? This is also point side. This line 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 also point side. This is the common line, common region. Right. This is the common region. This is the common region. Okay, now? Right. See in our textbook, we get the same answer. See the textbook answer is. Okay, now? So those we are completed. Very nice. Rani is already completed. Nice. Ninth problem. Go everyone. So this is also point side. 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 3 lines are common region. Okay, na? Right. Go through the ninth first. Enter into the ninth problem. Maximum today we have to complete. Maximum problems we have to be complete. So 2 days, within 2 days we have to complete. From Monday we are going to start a new topic. Okay, na? 9. 5x plus 4y is less than or equal to 20. X greater than or equal to 1. Y greater than or equal to 2. Y greater than or equal to 2. Okay, na? Right. First you have to write down. Consider the equation with equalities. Consider the equation with equalities. Right. Consider the equation. First equation, 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. Now put x is equal to 0. 0 plus 4y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 5. Next, y is equal to 0. Therefore, 5x plus y places the 0 is equal to 20. X is equal to 4. Now draw the table. X, y, x0, y5, y0, x4. One table is completed. Next one. X is equal to 1. It is a vertical line passing through 1. Vertical line passes through vertical line passes through 1. Passes through 1. Passes through 1. Okay. 1 y value is 0. Passes through 1 comma 0. Right, y is equal to 2. Horizontal line passes through 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2. X value is the 0, y value is 2. Right, I will draw the figure. Everyone see. I will draw the figure. 3 lines we have. We have the 3 lines. Everyone take the 3 lines in the first line. All right, I will take this. This is the line. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maximum is the 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maximum is the 5. Right. First one draw. So x is 0, y is 5. This is the point. Y is 0, x is 4. This is the point. Everyone join these two. Everyone join these two. This is the line equation. What is the line equation number? 5x plus 4y is less than or equal to 20. Okay, na? Right. Everyone go through the another one. X is equal to 1 is the vertical line passing through 1. Vertical line passing through 1. Right. Vertical line passing through 1. Y is equal to 2, horizontal line passing through 2. Horizontal line passing through 2. In these three lines, 1 point, 0, 0 we can take, no objection here. 0, 0 we can take. So because of no line is passing through the horizon, 0, 0 we can take. 0, 0 we can take, check. 0, 0 we can take. So now, write down now, 0, 0 you can take. Now the point. Now the point. Now the point, what is the point is 0, comma 0 we can take. Write down the matter, total matter you should be write down. I am writing. I am not writing. It should be write down, determine and satisfy the given inequalities or not. You can write down total matter. Check first one. 0, 0 for the first line, 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 20 is true. 0 is less than 20 is the true. That is the 0 side. First line is 0 side. This line is 0 side. This line is 0 side. This line is 0 side. Okay. 1 point is clear. Next, second equation is x is greater than ninth problem, x greater than or equal to 1, x greater than 0 greater than or equal to 1 is the false. 0 is greater than 1 is the false. Next, third one is 0 greater than or equal to 2 is the false. That is also false. So, second, this line is opposite to the horizon. Opposite to the horizon. Opposite to the horizon. This is opposite to the horizon. And x1 also false. It is also opposite to the horizon. It is also opposite to the horizon. 3 are coincide. 3 are coincide where we can observe. 3 are coincide here only. 3. This line at this line, 3 are coincide here only. This is make it as a dotted shade. Everyone make it as a shade. This is make it as a shade. Right, finish. Okay, na? Very good. Preeti, very good, Amma. Preeti is completed. Matter you should write now. I am writing matter. You should write now. So for first I am going to completing the problems. That's why I am not writing that matter. You should complete now, everyone. Right. Tenth problem. Right on everyone. 10th problem. 10th problem is 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 60. X plus 3y is less than or equal to 30. X greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than or equal to 0. Right, y greater than or equal to 0, x greater than. First find out everyone table. First table, this is the correct now figure. Ninth problem is figure is correct now. See one time ninth problem figure is very good. Correct one. Right. Everyone go through the 10th problem. First table write down. equalities, right? Therefore, straight lines only. First one, consider equations. Consider 3x plus 4y is equal to 60. X is equal to 0. X place is 0. 4y is equal to 60. Y is equal to 15. Correct? Y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15. Correct? 15. Correct? Right. Y is equal to 0. 3x, y place is the 0, is equal to 60, x is equal to 20. Everyone draw the table. So x, y, x is 0, y 15, y 0, x 20. Okay, na? Right, everyone. Second equation you can take x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30. Consider 30. Write on the table. X is equal to 0. 0 plus 3y is equal to 30. Y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 0. X plus y plus is 0 is equal to 30. X is equal to 30. Table write down x, y, x 0, y 10, y 0, x 30. Right, everyone write on the tables. Okay, now clear that? Next one, consider x is equal to 0. X values all are 0 on y-axis. X all values are zeros on y-axis. X all values are 0 on y-axis. Consider y is equal to 0. Y all values are zeros on x-axis. Y values are zeros on x-axis. Now we can take the graph. Now start graph. Now start the graph, everyone. Now start the graph. Can I rub? Right, see the, now I am going to draw the graph. Now I am going to draw the graph. Y also very good, big. That's why one unit I am going to take 5 units. 5, 10, 15, and 20, 25, 30, 1. Box I am going to take 5 units. Here also 1 box I am going to take 5 units. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. Right, everyone. You should go up to 30. First one say, take first table x0, y50, x0, y50, y0, x is 20. First line you should be drawn. This equation should be read out. What is the 3x? 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 60. 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 60. This line equation right now. This line equation is. Everyone see this line equation is 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 60. Right. Next one, everyone go through the next one. Second equation is x0, y10. x0, y10. Okay. y0 x30, y0 x30, carefully join. Okay. This line equation is x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30. Next, x-axis make it a dark. X-axis make it as a dark. Y-axis make it as a dark. Y-axis make it as a dark. Okay, finish. 0, 0 we can take. 0, 0 we can take. 0, 0 we can take. Everyone write down. Now put 0, 0. Now put 0, 0 in given inequalities. In given inequalities, we can take 5, 5, yes, anyone we can take here, no objection. Right. 0, 0. Because of not passing through the origin, that's why 0, 0 we can take. 0, 0 we can take. Everyone, first equation is 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 60 is true. Second equation also 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 30 also true. Both are 0 side. Both are 0 side. This is also 0 side. First, this is also 0 side. This is also 0 side. This is also 0 side. It is 0 side. It is 0 side. Sorry, this line is a 0 side. Okay, this line is a 0 side. This line also 0 side. This line also 0 side. No common we are getting because of no common we are getting because of 0, 0 we can't take. One time we can see both will be 0 side only. Right, both will be 0 side only. This is also take 0 side. This is also take 0 side. This is also take 0 side. Where we have common C, where we have common C, 2 are coincide where it is. 2 are coincide in this space only. This space is the common region. Right. This space is the common region. Right. Finish. See in our textbook also get the same graph. Right. Go through the 11th problem first. Move towards 11th. Yes, sir. Very good, Amrish. Right. Everyone, go through the move towards 11th problem. So any cost we should be tomorrow. We have to be completed this. 11th is the 3 lines. First take the 11th, 3 lines. 11th one is the 3 lines. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. X plus y less than or equal to 3. 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. Work out, everyone. Fast workout. Everyone work out fast. 3 lines. First one, consider the lines. Consider all are equal only. Write 2x plus y is equal to 4. It's table right down. X0, y4. x0 y4, y0 x2, y0 x2. I am writing direct table, but you can be write down x0 substitution. I am writing the direct table. X plus y is equal to 3, x0 y3, y0 x3. I am writing direct tables only, but you should be procedure right. Third equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. x0 means y is equal to minus 2. y0 means x is equal to 3. I am writing direct tables, but you should be work out. I will give the time for you. x0, y0, I am drawing the table direct on the tables. You should be work out. Right, everyone see the graph. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum is the 4 only. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Maximum is the 4 only. Why? Okay. So, minus 1. Downside also we have minus 1, minus 2, y dash. Minus 1, minus 2, y dash. Okay, right, substitute. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. One table, one line draw. This is the one line. Okay, this line equation write down everyone. This line equation, what is that? This line equation is the 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. So first table is O1. Second table, go through the second table. x0, y3, x0, y3, okay. y0, x3, okay. Join carefully. This is the second table also completed. This equation is what is that? X plus y less than or equal to 3. Third table you can see x0 y minus 2, okay. y0 x3, okay. Now join these two very carefully. Right. This table also completed. This is also completed. 3 tables are completed. Right. This equation is right now 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. 2x minus 3y less than or equal to